How to add or remove debit or credit card on Shein account. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of me. Then at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you're in the settings page here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of my payment options. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find debit or credit card. In the case you have added debit or credit card, it's going to pop up in this page. Now, in order to remove it, you have to click on it and then you have to clear all your details, card number, expiry date, and CVV, and then click on done. Likewise, in the case you haven't added the card, you're going to get the pop-up add a credit or debit card. You have to click on it. Now you have to fill this, provide your card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV. After you fill this, click on confirm, and with that, your payment method will be updated on Shein account. So this way you can easily add or remove debit or credit card on Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.